Okay, welcome muli po tayo sa ating pong Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. This is not the final game for the week sa ating Saturday night edition ng Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. Okay, mag-prompt na tayo. Okay, tapos na po ito. This is your Aviation Free Doubles of Flying League. Would like first to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC Hara ng Padra. Of course, nandiyan po SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. These are participating teams: Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx Basketball Team, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Mechanicals, Sky Team, Freighters, and of course QR Towers. This is not the eliminations and final game for this week between Boleros versus Mechanicos. Boleros playing po fiery black pattern po ng kanilang uniforme versus ang Mechanicos po is white and black combination po ng kanilang uniforme. Maraming salamat. Congratulations po na po kanina po. CAS prevailing po sa Freighters. Okay. And of course, antin po natin po ating po opening whistle po for sa ating po final game for tonight between Boleros and the Freighters. And of course, in Mechanicos pala, sorry, Mechanicos. Pagod. Naghahangar na ako. Okay, balik muli po tayo po sa ating antayin po tayo po sa ating first five po for both teams. Boleros and Mechanicos coming up po. Calling now the first five. Okay, paki-finalist lang po ang ang final lineup nyo. Yung hikaw nyo po, sir, hikaw. Hikaw po, tsaka takin po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Hikaw and takin po tayo. Okay, Mechanicos number 30, number 19, number 24, number 29, at si number 11. Kabilang po si Ryan, number 28. Si 0 na naman. Si number 7, si number 3, 29, at si number 31. Okay, Hasselman Amampang, congratulations ha. Ingat. Ingat, boss. Ay, Amampang. Kailan lang championship yun, second game? QFBL. G19 ha? Di ba kasama sa lineup to? Di ba kasama sa lineup to? Ito hindi kasama? Hindi. Sige. Ingat. God bless. Okay, first quarter action. On the way now. White ball. That's number 30, Anthony. Anthony kick pass. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Black ball. Black ball tayo. Black ball. Boleros ball. Boleros. Benji. Kick pass. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 31. Number 31. Pivoting move. Wala pa rin. Number 20 naman. To Benji. Benji almost lost the ball. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Wala pa rin. Holding foul called. Jerome called for a holding foul. Paul, binabantayan si Jerome. And now, bang! 2 points. Benji Tunan, Mechanicos. Chris Munir is watching. Number 28. Pops up. Looper shot, no good. Binababa ang bola. Kick pass to kay Tan na naman. Tan. Binabantayan to Mr. Anthony, number 30. Kick pass, loop. It's Benji. Benji against two white shirts. Pops up. No good. Paul. Wala pa rin. Benji, number 29, power move. 31, oy, 3-second violation. 3-second violation called. Jerome pops up. Nope, malakas. Rebound by Benji. Benji again, Benji. Binabang bola, Benji. Benji. Yun lang, foul called. Sumabit. Nasabit. Nasabit, nasabit. Oy, idol. Ingat pre, ingat pre. Ay, ingat po ba sa? Nice game, pre. Nice game. Ryan pops up. Wala. Second shot, Ryan. Jumper ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Rebound the white shirts. White shirts sa rebound kagad. Ito na naman siya. Boom. Jerome. Double team. Pops up, Tan, 2 points again. Tan, 2 points. Binabang bola ngayon, number 13. Padilla, naipit kay 23. 23 called for a foul. Padilla, number 10, shooting for 2. Second shot na. Wala. Tapos. Ingat boss, ingat ha. Para mabuti ha. Para mabuti ha. Sige, ganun, sige. Pag pumasok muli, ara ka mabuti. Okay, ito na tayo. Ito na muli. And Jerome, double team. No good. Tan na naman, Tan on the attack. Kick pass kay Anthony. Wala. Binababa ang bola. Paul, hindi na sa long bola. Hindi na sa long bola. 5:26 remaining. 30. Tan, number 3. Tan, number 3. Nakalusot. Tan. Zigzagging. Anthony to Tan, number 3. Nandun si Jerome. Power move, 2 points. Number 14. And change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Balik. Pasi. Ayun na kay Forbes. Foul. Ay hindi. Tinulak palabas. Natulak. Wala, sorry. Nawala ng espasyo. Bakla ang pops up. Number 11. Wala. Rebound. Baklaan. No good pa rin. Power move, wala pa rin. Nilabas muna, Talisik. Talisik. Wala. Rebound by the black shirts, Forbes. Samonte. Samonte. Number 11, Malakas. 4:04 remaining. Talisik, 17. Mermohenes. Nandun si Forbes. Forbes. Ayun, 2 points Forbes. Wala. Kick pass kagad. Ayan na. Number 11. 2 points again. Baklaan. Talisik. Talisik. Wala pa rin. JP binababa ang bola. Nandun si Baklaan. Nandun naman si Samonte. Running shot. In and out. Samonte. Forbes. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, Calisto. Castro. 2 points Castro. Binababang bolang yun. Ito na. Eusebio. Wala. Rebound. Lost the ball. Baklaan. Nakuha ang bola. Baklaan. Regaining the ball. Baklaan. Castro. What a pasan. Ang ganda. Highlights yun. Binababang bola yun. 2 points. Number 13. 2:03 remaining. 8-6 score po natin. Mechanicos lamang pa rin po, Mechanicos. Castro. Talisik. Kalma, driving strong, naipit. Black ball. Black shirts. Oy, traveling ka dun, boss. Dumikit sa kamay. Traveling ka dun, sir. Traveling ka po. Iso kami ng focus sa camera, ha? Yan. Yan. Reverse focus. Pops up. 2 points, Castro. 2 points. Wala. Rebound. Ayun. Number 30 still completed. Abella na to Eusebio. Forbes. No good. Ayun sa ilalim. Swept away. Traveling violation call. Points. Nice shot. Okay, after first quarter action, lamang po ang Mechanicos 12-6. Standby po tayo po sa ating second quarter action. Putang ginanani po. Nice. Back to the ball game. Second quarter action. Start right now. Bola po ng Boleros. Boleros ball. White ball. Takin lang po sir. Takin lang ha. Takin lang. Takin lang po. Maraming salamat po. Takin lang. Zohan, number 20. At si number 6, number 9, nandiyan din. Dubs. JP. Dubs. Dubs, driving strong. JP. Oy, traveling violation. Traveling violation called. Number 27. Nice one. Malakas. JP. Foul on number 10. Number 10 called for the foul. Number 46 again to Dubs. Dubs. Binababambo ni Dubs. JP. Malakas. Out of bounds. Same ball. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. May pader. Dubs. In and out. Ayan na naman. Number 22. Kick pass kay number 20. Kay Anthony. Number 30. Anthony taking and setting up the pace. Tan. Anthony again. Anthony. Nice strip away. Pero hindi po manot. 23 Kileme na now. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Dubs. Dubs. Floater shot. Pasok. And timeout called by Talisik and his company. Mechanicos tumakbo ng timeout. The score is 12-8, 8:21 remaining. Second quarter action already. Balik tayo ngayon sa ating laro ngayon. Nawalang bola. Oy, 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 oy. Hawi. Hinawi mo, boss. Balik tayo. Zohan, number 20. Dubs. Dubs, binaba ang bola. Dubs. Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. 8x 8/7 cross multiplication. Balangas. Muntik lang. JP, nawala ang bola kay JP. Anthony. Nawala ang bola. Ayun naman sila. Zohan. Ayun, Dubs, 2 points. Dubs, 2 points. Dubs, 2 points. James Mark V. Ariola is watching. Julius Babagos is watching. Hey! Stepping violation. Wala. 2 points, Clemena. Clemena, 2 points. All 12 po tayo. Nakatabla ang Boleros. Tan. Double team. Kick pass. And to Anthony, number 30. Anthony, note. Anthony pops up. No good. Tan. Anthony muli, top of the key. Wala pa rin. Anthony pops up. 2 points. Running shot by Anthony is good. Zohan. Held ball situation. Oh, sarap. Sir, ano yan, sir? Close the ball. Samonte! 2 points. Samonte, 2 points. Clemena, Castro, in and out. Double team, triple team now. Number 11. Balik muli po kay Samonte. Balik ka kay Samsam, kay Mr. Benji. Saan ka pupunta? 4:07 remaining. Benji muli. Pops up. Nope. Malakas. Samonte. Malakas din. May foul nga lang.
Third round, first.
Basket mate. Baklaan.
Number 19. To number 4.
Baklaan. Malakas.
Vince. Bishop.
Wala. Wala pareho. Rebound. Foul.
36 seconds.
Castro. Traveling violation ng Castro. Traveling violation for Castro at 3 minutes remaining. Benji. Kick pass kagad sa ball. Oy! Offensive foul. Illegal pick.
Offensive foul.
Illegal pick. Baklaan, nagmamadali against Benji. Pops up, floater shot, wala pa rin. Rebound, Padilla. Foul!
Number 19.
Call for the foul, number 90, call for the foul.
Second person.
Benji, binababa ang bola. Bring down the ball, Benji. Kick pass, number 7, no good. Rebound by Castro. Castro nagmamadali, Castro nakalusot. 3-on-1 situation. Castro, baklaan, 2 points. Timeout called by Boleros. Nag-timeout po ang Boleros. Yata to. Balik tayo. Ito na. 1:42 remaining. No foul. Malakas. Rebound. Foul called. Rome! Oy! Traveling ka doon, boss! Traveling ka doon, boss! 53 seconds remaining. Pops up. No good. What a shot! What a shot by Padilla! Hail Mary shot yun ah. Good. Baklaan, nakalusot. Castro, foul! Castro, foul by Baldemoro.
Wala ba? Warning.
Warning, one penalty. Baklaan, nakalusot. Baklaan, number 34, Castro, foul! Act of shooting. Act of shooting called. Castro, number 35, shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot, jumper, ready po tayo. Baklaan na nakaw. Number 10, no good. Rebound again by running shot. Wala na. Okay, mas marami po kasi pang Boleros. Sila po ang magta-take po ng penalty shots. Penalty shots by Boleros.
Seven. Number D. Number 7. Free throw. First shot. Basket.
Again.
Number 9. In and out. Number 15. Number 10.
Yun nga. Sabi na nga ba?
Black ball.
Yun nga, alam ko na. Sir. Bali, mga ano, 9:50, 9:30 tayo matatapos. Okay, back to the ball game rin po tayo now. This time around, change court na po tayo. Boleros ball po. Boleros, where are you? Boleros ball po tayo. Boleros ball. Pasi from Zohan. Number 31, nandun din. At si JP. Zohan. Zohan again. Pasi. Pops up. No good. Nabunga. JP. Wala pa rin. JP muli. Again. Fresh 14. Pasi for 3. Bang! Pasi 3 points.
4.8.
Nawala ang bola. Baklaan. Vlad, malakas. Wala, pero may foul called.
30. Good.
9:01 remaining. Zohan. Pops up, Nabunga. Wala. 34 naka-rebound. Nakalusot. Baklaan. Wala. Abelia. JP. 2 points JP. Whoop. Okay, teka lang. Technical foul. Basket made pero may technical foul yata. May technical free throw para kay number 11. May second motion kasi yata nangyari.
Technical free throw.
Technical free throw for number 11. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. And bola po ng puti. Massey. Foul!
Second personal foul.
JP for the shoot for the free throws. 8:08 remaining. Pops up JP, pasok.
Dito mo na sir. Matatapitin na yan. Dito mo na sir. Matatapitin na yan. Okay, pasok. Pasok. Okay na. Ready?
Tan. Baklaan. Tan. Uy! Ayan naman sila. On the attack. The black shirts. The black boys. 2 points. Hop! 1 meter away. Sabi ng referee. 1 meter away. Baklaan na naman. Uy! Foul! Foul on number 23, Clemena. Clemena, wala pa rin. Barks pops up. Benji, 2 points. 2 points Benji. Good ball. Rome lost the ball. Problema rin pre-asset ko sa pate. Boleros Mecanicos. Laman po ang Bolero, sir. Adrian Sol, laman po ang Boleros. Wala. Boleros naman. Dab 3. Traveling katumbos. Kalma. Naipit. Dubs. Pinatok agad. Nandun si Baklaan. Nandun si... Okay, still complete again by Barks. Dubs. Wala. Foul ko.
29. 29, fourth personal foul. Basket.
Basket made.
Fake.
No good. 19-30 po ang score po natin. Lamang po ang Mechanicos. Again, completed again. Ito na naman si Benji. Benji. Dabs pops up. No good. Dabs muli. Benji. Benji.
10 to shoot.
Dabs. Number 11. Pops up. Bang City.
Number 4. Pass and touchdown. 11. Bola Moran.
Same ball.
8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Up. 5 to shoot. 5. Up. Stop. 5 to shoot. 5 seconds. Basket.
2 points, Baclan. 21-33. A 12-point advantage na binenjoyed still by Budaboleros. Eusebio, kick pass, palpal. Nice swipe by Jerome. Ayan naman tayo. Naipit, nanakawan. Still completed, Jerome. Wala pa ba ang bola? Kick pass kay Castro. Out of bounds. Same ball po tayo po. Same ball tayo. Castro, nice hustle play. Inbounding si Castro to Jerome. Mechanicos ball. Jerome. Ayun, si Castro ilan. Pow! Kinapitan.
Foul number 11, first one. 1.
Ayan na naman tayo. Ayun, Dabs. 2 points. Good ball. Out of bounds. Ganing labas.
Samonte.
Samonte. No good. Baclan. Baclan. Zigzag its way. Bang shot made by Baclan. Baclan 2 points. Yes, buler si Mechanicos, sir. Lamang po ang Mechanicos, 23-35. 12 po kalamangan. Wala pa rin. Kick, pass. Ito naman si Anthony. Anthony! Wala! A minute and 45 remaining. Dabs. Dabs. No foul. Castro. Baclaan again, 2 points. Back-to-back field goals by Baclaan. Back-to-back field goals by Baclaan. 10 na po kalamangan. Boleros still leading.
20.
Samonte.
Number 9.
Pops up.
3.
Take 3.
South, 25. Second personal foul.
Y
Third.
X minus 8 X minus 8 squared. Wala. Wala.
Last shot.
Kalma. Anthony pops up. Tapos.
Ball. Seconds to 3.
Dab. Walang pinasahan. Hoy! Puti.
20 seconds. Wala na tayong shot clock.
Foul! Tumunog. Tunog. Foul yun. Tunog yun.
Inbound. 31. First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty situation, Team Mechanicos. Tan shooting for 2.
First. 10 seconds.
Bunga 2 points. Wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters, still 15-point disadvantage to Boleros. The score is 25-40.
Third quarter.
White ball. Baklaan. Foul.
Number 13.
Wala. Pops up. Castro Castro, 2 points. Laman na 13. Dubs, umatake. Dubs. No good. Rebound. Dubs again. Dubs. JP pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound. White ball. Out of bounds. Dubs. Pops up. Uy! And one play made.
Foul for Hemet.
What a magic play by Padilla. Magician pala to eh. Padilla the Magician. Pops up. Pasok. 27-43 still. A 16-point advantage now being enjoyed by Boleros. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Foul. 24.
Oh, ano naman?
15.
Kalma. Jerome. Wala. Kalma, nakaribang. Nakanukuha. Castro to Kalma. Good ball. Number 18, 2 points. Dubs. 7-4 remaining. Hop. Wala. Uy! Good ball. JP. Palpal. Same ball. Okay, time up po ang Mechanicos.
Back to the ball.
Back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. White ball, black. Boleros ball po tayo. Papasok ang Boleros. Boleros for the inbound. Ayun! JP! Wala! Padilla. Sam or Benji against Baklaan. JP again. Oy! Shot clock violation. Jerome. Number 14, Castro. Muntik pa. Sorry. Castro, 35, shooting for 2. 5:57 remaining, fourth and final quarter. It's out. Second shot, Castro. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made. 29-40, 30-42 rather, at 13-point advantage. Still enjoyed by Boleros. Padilla. White ball. White ball. Hop.
13.
Benji called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty na yata. 5:53 remaining.
Third person.
No good. Abelia, tap from behind. Kalma. Nice pass. No in and out nga lang. JP. Foul. JP called for the foul. Kalma fouling JP. JP shooting for 2. First shot. First shot kay JP. Pops up. Pasok. It's in. Second shot. Jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw. Pops up. Both basket made. Balik. Labrado is watching. Mark Toto is watching. Baklaan. Baklaan. Number 10. Pops up. Castro naipit. Castro muli. Pero may foul. Naipit. Nasuklo pa yung kamay. Penalty situation now for team Boleros. Castro shooting for 2. At 4:31 remaining. Castro first shot is in. Castro second throw. Jumper ready po tayo. No good. Rebound of Boleros. Dabs. Nagmamadali. Dabs. Dabs. Wala. Out of bounds. Jerome. Good ball. Dabs. JP driving. Ayun na. Samonte. Pinasa. Tumama. Tumama sa kutsyon. Abelia, pasok muna. Tan. Uy, hindi na kontrol ng bola. Hindi na kontrol ng landing. Benji, 3:28 remaining. Bolero still leading, 31-48, 17-point lead advantage. Abelia. Benji. JP. No good. Rebound, Kalma. Kalma naka-rebound. Baklaan. Puntik pa. JP. Nando si Kalma. Kalma for 3. Nope. Ay lalim. 2 points. Number 10, 2 points. Uy, tumama sa bakal. 2:42 remaining. Timeout White. .242 remaining, 33-48. Back to the ball game. Balik tayo. White ball, Vlad coming in. Boleros looking to take this win. Pops up tan, walang foul. Eh naman, Benji nakalusot. Benji. Sam Benji. Now to number 30. JP. Samonte. No good. Samonte muli. Malakas. JP. Foul. Number 11. Foul. That's Deboy. 2:11 remaining. Abelia. Eusebio. Foul on Taan. 2:02 remaining. Scott is watching. Dami si Scott. Ginami siyo. Last 2 minutes. Oy! Foul called. Abelia, 30, shooting for 2. Pasok. And second shot, Abelia, jumper's ready. No good. Rebound by a white shirt. Kalma. Foul. So Kalma fouled. Kalma 11 shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, Kalma. Meron. Pasok. 1:43 remaining. Kick pass. Kalma na doon. Uy, wala na. Out of bounds. Out of bounds still. Balik pa rin po sa Boleros ang bola. Samonte. Benji. 10 to shoot. Samonte. Out of bounds. Uy! Traveling ka doon, boss. Too much half step. Balik tayo. Eto na. Baklaan. 1:15 remaining. Baklaan. Pops up for 3. Kapos. I think safety basket na tayo. Safety basket na. Wala na. Ano ito? Foul called. Sa bakas, nanalo rin ng Boleros. Pero masabi ko lang. Oh. Pops up. No good. Wala may matangkad nila dyan. Second shot sa Monte. Jumper Schwery. 57 seconds remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound JP. Up si Daisy. Foul again. 53 seconds remaining. JP called for the foul. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket no good also. Samonte. Benji. Malalim. Number 19. 2 points. 34 seconds remaining. Foul called. Isa Cesarado Guerrero is watching. Sir Isa. Nandito po siya, sir. JP. Sam. Basket. Baklaan, driving, pops up, no good. 21 seconds remaining. JP, Benji, pops up for 3, no good. Out of bounds. White ball. 9 seconds remaining. Baklaan, wala. And congratulations, final score 36-51. Winner, Boleros. Maraming salamat po.